What if the first 10 minutes of your morning could rewire your mind for calm, clarity, and gratitude? This is your daily ritual to start your day connected to yourself, to your breath, and to the power of remembering what matters most. Find yourself somewhere quiet to sit down, and let's begin. Take a seat and take a breath. Or maybe that seat's taking you. And that breath was going to happen anyway. Either way, it doesn't really matter because you're safe. All you need to do is look at your palms. Notice the exact shade of the skin there, the texture. Sense the movement just beneath the surface. Now, don't let anything come between you and that connection. Not from the outside, and certainly not from the inside. It's important that you don't try to control that hand. And try not to notice the exact pressure under each fingernail. And don't let the tingling spread. Definitely don't let it spread. Right there, that's a game that words can play. You can try harder not to feel them, but that's not going to help. And if a word can do that, what else could they do? If you can feel your nails, can you close your eyes or just let them shut and drift all the way back to that time you felt gratitude? If you're rusty, it might take a moment, and practice will fix that. Or a word like family, or kindness, or unexpected might just lodge it free. And if a word can conjure a memory, what would happen if we began to string some together? Like recalling that feeling with all of its intensity and drawing it to the forefront. That recollection of what happened. Every detail, vivid, colourful, and in high definition. Remember the people who mattered most. And now you have it. Take a moment to enjoy it. Perhaps you'll be able to enjoy it even more. Make the image bigger, brighter. Turn up the sound and double the intensity of the emotion. Now pull it closer until it fills your entire body. And if you have it, and you've re-experienced it, what does that have to do with that hand? If it's true that that hand was there at the time, then what would happen if you simply place that memory in the palm of your hand now? And that might sound unusual, but just imagine it. And if you can't do that, then just pretend. Feel it. Now open your eyes and notice it. Whatever it is, even if it's not strong yet, don't try to control it. Just take a moment. Just let that feeling settle. Now slowly, ever so slowly as you can, bring that palm up to your head. When you touch your head, that's the moment it installs. When you move the hand away, that's when it grows. When it returns, that's when it anchors. And feel that feeling washing through your head, all the way down through your body. Now move that hand away from your head again. Now let that feeling in your palm build and grow and intensify, stronger than before, more real, deeper, and let that hand gently fall back to your head. As that powerful feeling, that gratitude, soaks into the fold of your memory, enhancing the experience of gratitude, deepening and becoming more accessible, more noticeable throughout your day. And when you're ready, bring your hands to your heart and slowly breathe it in. Anchor it in place. The gratitude, that feeling, that positivity. And now, as you breathe in that feeling, that deep, unmistakable sense of gratitude, let it begin to shape something more. And the kind of person who carries that kind of gratitude walks through the world a little differently. And maybe that's who you've been becoming all along. Because when your eyes open, it won't be like before, even if you don't notice it straight away. The world may look the same, but you'll be different. And you might notice it when someone smiles at you, and you smile back automatically, because the gratitude is still there. You may find that when your hand touches a doorknob, a wave of calm appreciation passes through your body as you step into the next moment. You might even discover that your voice is warmer, your words kinder, your presence more centered, because this feeling is anchored inside you. And the best part, you didn't force it. You just remembered who you were before the world got too loud. And as you open your eyes now, you bring that with you. Something ancient, something new, something ready to make your day truly yours. And if you got something out of this recording, remember to leave a comment, a really kind, encouraging comment. And remember, the more you practice, the better you'll get. So make listening to this recording part of your morning ritual.